The association between magnets, health and well-being is currently enjoying a revival, but the approach is not new. Magnetic therapy healing possesses an ancient heritage and has occupied a central role in Chinese medicine for over 2,000 years. Magnetic therapy is mentioned in some of the earliest writings in Egypt, India, and Greece. Until recently, the scientific explanation of magnetic therapy healing was not available. Magnetic healing utilizes the natural energy of magnetism that is important to human existence and overall health. A magnetic field provides a natural, easy way to assist the body's normal healing processes as the magnetic current passes through all tissues and cells. Studies show that magnets can be an effective therapy for pain relief by blocking pain sensations. Applying magnetic fields to an injured area improves blood circulation and oxygen to enhance the body's natural healing process. The improved blood flow and fluid exchange to the injured tissue helps reduce pain and inflammation. Biomagnetic therapy is a national method used to relieve pain, restore energy and enhance sleep. It has proven to be a safe, effective, economical, and a simple-to-use form of alternative therapy. Magnetic therapy is thousands of years old yet holds great promise for the future. Magnets have been scientifically proven to enable the body to regain its self-healing electromagnetic balance naturally. Magnetic therapy benefits: relieves pain, reduces inflammation, restores natural energy, enhances sleep, increases blood circulation, prevents or reverses infection, promotes metabolic processing of toxins and supports the healing process. Magnetic therapy is a non-invasive method with a very high success rate and has much to offer in both prevention and treatment of chronic ailments. Not all magnets are created equally. Make sure whatever brand you purchase shows the gauge strength of the final product, otherwise you'll be missing the beneficial therapeutic aspects. Magnetic therapy today. Today in Japan and other Asian countries, therapeutic magnets are licensed as medical devices. Magnetic therapy has found favor in Australia, Russia and many European countries, especially Germany where medical insurance covers some of the costs. Contemporary Western medicine uses magnetic energy for diagnosis with magnetic resonance imaging, MRI, and, as a method to accelerate the healing of bone fractures. Magnetic therapy is becoming increasingly popular among progressive healthcare practitioners, veterinarians, professional athletes as well as the general population. It is a fact our population is aging and the cost of conventional healthcare is spiraling upward, particularly in the United States. Magnetic therapy, for reasons of simplicity, effectiveness and economy, will become an important form of alternative therapy in the future. Magnetic therapy side effects. Do not use magnets or magnetic therapy if using a pacemaker, implanted medical device or insulin pump as they may interfere with the delicate electronic equipment. Magnetic products are not recommended for use during pregnancy. They are not proven beneficial nor detrimental. Be on the safe side, do not use. Keep magnetic products at least 6 inches away from objects such as credit cards, computers, diskettes, audio and videotapes, and similar items, as loss of data may result.